Pushing a major software update usually feels like walking blindfolded into traffic. You push the code, cross your fingers, and just pray you didn't break everything.
Oh, absolutely. It's terrifying.
Right. But today, we're looking at a tool that claims to take that blindfold off. As always, I was browsing the AIagentstore.ai website today, looking for something useful for us, and I was checking out the page for Owlity.
Yeah, Owlity, it's a paid closed source AI agent built specifically for software testing and QA.
Right. And our mission today is to unpack how this tool helps developers and QA engineers eliminate all that manual testing effort, to speed up releases.
And importantly, doing all that without needing a local development environment.
Exactly.
To really understand how it cuts those QA costs, we kind of need to map out its foundational structure first, the whole record, run, see workflow.
Yeah, I saw they break that down into 3 core pieces: eye, wing, and mind.
Right. So I is pretty straightforward. It's a no-code desktop app for recording tests. You basically just click through your application.
Just normal clicking, like a standard user.
Exactly. Then Wing handles the cloud execution part. It takes those recorded tests and runs them in parallel across a bunch of different browsers and web environments.
Oh, wow. Okay, so where does mind come in?
Well, Mind is the reporting hub. It compiles the video, the screenshots, all the change tracking for every single run into one place.
So, it's basically like a smart security system for your software.
I like that analogy.
Yeah, like iWatch is what you do, right? Wing patrols all the different environments, and then Mind just hands you the security tape if a bug breaks in.
That is exactly it. And since Wing runs in the cloud, it's like having, thousands of security guards checking every door at the exact same time.
Right, right. But, just recording clicks only gets you so far. I was looking at the site, and Owlity claims an 83% autonomy level.
Yeah, that's a huge number.
Right. They say it can autonomously discover app functionalities, generate test cases, and even maintain self-healing test code. How does that self-healing actually work?
Well, think about a standard automated test. Say a developer moves a checkout button, like 2 pixels to the left.
A traditional script would just immediately break.
Exactly, it fails right there. But Owlity's AI actually understands the context, so it recognizes the button just shifted, updates the test script autonomously, that's the healing part, and just keeps the run going.
Wait, really? No human intervention at all?
None. It just handles it on the fly.
Okay, that sounds incredibly convenient. But, I have to push back a little here. Doesn't this mean teams might lose visibility into exactly what is being tested?
How do you mean?
Well, we wouldn't want a rogue AI just changing your testing protocols without you knowing.
Oh, totally. That's a very valid fear. But that's exactly why the Mind dashboard exists. It highlights exactly what the AI healed so a human can quickly verify it.
Ah, gotcha. So you're not totally out of the loop.
Right. And for the really complex edge cases, the stuff the AI simply can't heal, that's where their human backup comes in.
Yeah, they're expert QA services. I find it fascinating that such an advanced AI platform still heavily markets its human expert backup.
Well, it takes human experience to push that total coverage up to 95%. It's just pragmatism, really.
Right, because sometimes you need to test the entire system to make sure a new update didn't break some, obscure old feature.
Exactly. Those massive regression suites can be really tricky for AI. So they have this backup team with 16 years of experience ready to step in.
And what's brilliant is they deliver that as a finished outcome, not as an added headcount to your payroll. You only tap into the veterans when you need them.
Yeah, you get the speed of an automated system, but with the safety net of seasoned QA professionals, it completely minimizes your software execution risk.
Which leaves us with a pretty wild thought for you to consider.
Oh, what's that?
Well, if AI can autonomously discover app features and literally heal its own tests, will the future QA engineer just be an auditor of AI decisions rather than a test writer?
It really seems to be heading that way. You just review the tapes to make sure the AI caught the right bugs.
It's a whole new world. Anyway, if you want to explore this platform yourself, head over to AIagentstore.ai.
Definitely worth checking out.
And as always, thank you so much for reading the podcast. We really appreciate it. Catch you next time.